Soft skills are character traits that affect a person's ability to work or communicate with others. They facilitate interactions and help establish reliability and trust in the workplace. Hard skills, which include a person's knowledge and professional abilities, are thought of as a complement to soft talents. Soft talents are more closely related to personality traits than knowledge. As a result, they cover the personality features that influence how well one gets along with others and are typically a defined aspect of a person's personality. These abilities enable someone to work well and peacefully with others, and they are quickly turning into a deciding element in the employment process for many firms. What makes soft skills so crucial? There is some degree of soft skills required for interpersonal interaction. You can be needed to pitch a fresh concept to coworkers, bargain for a better deal, get a new contract, network for employment, and other things in your place of employment. You can accomplish it because you have these abilities. On the other side, a lack of soft skills restricts your potential and may even spell the end of your business or career. By developing strong leadership, delegation, teamwork, and communication abilities, you can run projects more smoothly, deliver results that please everyone, and even positively influence your personal life by improving how you interact with others. Soft skills not only apply to your professional life, but also to your personal life. Are you benefiting from this conversation thus far? Please, before we move forward, if you are, please like this video, and welcome if you are a new subscriber. Click the subscribe button right now. Let's get started. 1. Optimistic outlook. Do not underestimate the value of maintaining an optimistic outlook. Employers seek candidates that will bring a good attitude to the workplace, as well as those who are outgoing, motivated, and generally pleasant to be around. You must have a positive attitude if you operate in a fast-paced, high-stress setting. It's the only way you can persevere and reach your objectives despite difficulties. 2. Curiosity. One of the most underrated soft talents that supports job success is curiosity. A condition of active interest or a sincere desire to learn more about something new might be interpreted as curiosity. Most employees have a high learning curve. You'll need to become fully knowledgeable about the position you were recruited to fill, the business, and the sector. In order to do your work well and differentiate yourself from other employees, you'll need to be interested and study everything you can. Our readiness to accept novel experiences, uncertain circumstances, and a variety of locations increases as we cultivate and exercise our sense of curiosity. Additionally, it establishes the groundwork for discovery, whether it is of new facts, acquaintances, or experiences. Curiosity may result in a satisfying or uninteresting result. Risk-taking comes with the chance that the outcome won't be to your advantage, but the learning experience itself will be valuable. 3. An incisive observation. One of the most important soft talents, particularly in the business world, is critical observation. It enables you as an employee to anticipate issues and evaluate data in order to fulfill the constantly changing demands of your business. If you can't examine it, information doesn't mean anything. You must examine your information or facts to determine if any patterns may be found. It might be beneficial to your overall success at work to be a critical observer. You may decide which of the alternatives you have and which is most likely to result in the best result based on your observations. A company needs employees who can look beyond their immediate surroundings. They want candidates with the ability to innovate, outperform the competition, and advance the business. While many businesses place a strong emphasis on cooperation and communication, critical observations should also be made, since without them, all the stats, graphs, and trends would be meaningless, because no one would be there to turn the raw data into objectives that could be put into action. 4. Teamwork. Can you work effectively with others in a team environment? A company's ability to succeed depends on each employee's capacity for effective teamwork, whether it be on a project with others or in a few departmental meetings. Collaboration can refer to working together on a project or to find a solution to a problem. Working in a team requires the ability to interact with others, as well as an understanding of and appreciation for diversity. You must also accept and use comments from others in a collaborative setting. You must learn to cooperate with people, even if you don't always agree with them. People who can work together to be effective and efficient while still enjoying what they do will be sought after by employers. Everyone appreciates working in a congenial environment, which also helps the business entice additional brilliant and creative individuals. It unquestionably raises the standard of work. At all professional levels and in every business, you will be expected to collaborate with others. By carrying out this task effectively and responsibly, you may advance your career, build your resume, and enhance your business. It also enables you to establish rapport with people, which may result in more fruitful business partnerships, new acquaintances, and in certain cases, new chances. Your success at work depends on your ability to work well with others, regardless of your sector or job title. You can finish things quickly and create a fun working environment for you and others by getting along well with coworkers, clients, bosses, and other employees. One important thing to keep in mind is that a company's success does not result from the efforts of one person. They succeed when they locate workers who are eager to cooperate in order to accomplish a common objective. 5. Leadership. The majority of employers will want to know that you can make the appropriate decision when the scenario calls for it, and that you can handle the issue and the individuals involved, even if not every job posting is a leadership one. Employers want candidates who will step up to the plate and assist in resolving issues as they arise when interviewing candidates. They are interested in hiring people who can advance in the company. Thus, they prefer personnel with leadership qualities. With time, your leadership abilities will probably increase your visibility at work, which opens up new options. Therefore, once other initiatives arise, don't be scared to take them on and assemble a team that will aid in your success. You are still a leader even if you don't hold a title that suggests you are one. In the job, it's critical to exude confidence in your abilities. To convince your coworkers to support your ideas, have a clear vision, and put your excellent communication skills to action. But being a leader entails more than just persuading others to follow your orders. If someone has a problem, whether it has to do with their job or not, you could be the one they turn to. Why not take another employee under your wing and serve as their mentor whenever you have the opportunity to uplift people and assist them in realizing their potential? In addition to learning how to educate, manage, and encourage others, you will be of tremendous assistance to them. 6. Communication. In practically every business, communication skills are crucial. On the workplace, you'll undoubtedly have to engage and communicate with a variety of people, including clients, customers, coworkers, vendors, and bosses. Therefore, whether speaking to someone in person, over the phone, or in writing, you must be able to do it nicely and clearly. The way you are seen by your coworkers and managers at work depends on your verbal and writing communication abilities. These abilities aid in your ability to establish positive working relationships. Being a good listener is a quality that comes with having great communication abilities. Employers need workers who can communicate not only their own ideas, but also those of others while listening intently. To be honest, listening to people is essential everywhere you work. Whether you're in business and need to speak out in meetings and for your department, in healthcare and need to hear the worries of your patients, or any place else, you must actively listen when you are a new employee of the company. Make the most of the chance to learn something while others talk. For a moment, put down your phone and computer and pay attention to what is being spoken. You learn more the more you pay attention. Additionally, you get knowledge that may come in use later on in your job. It's also crucial to have solid communication skills since they boost productivity. The lesson here is that effective communication keeps you and everyone else on the same page. 7. Fixing issues. Soft talents like problem solving may be used in challenging, unforeseen, or challenging situations that arise in the job. It demonstrates that you can manage your job well, if not excel at it, when you can apply your expertise to discover solutions to urgent problems. When an issue arises, you have two options. You can either think about it or fix it. What will make you stand out favorably is your demonstrated initiative. Being flexible and quick to think on your feet will set you apart from the crowd. Top performers are relied upon by businesses to navigate through unforeseen issues and discover the best solutions. Providing employers with solutions rather than complaints is another helpful piece of advice. When a problem arises, consider how to solve it before bringing it up with your employer. Problem-solving abilities will make you a valuable employee for any employer, regardless of your position within the organization. 8. Work attitude and dedication. Dedication, a strong work ethic, is composed of traits like effort and loyalty. A strong work ethic includes being dedicated to a position, enjoying achievement, being motivated by obstacles and change, and being an excellent spokesperson for a business both internally and outside. Even though you might have a manager to supervise your job, many businesses prefer not to micromanage their staff. They count on you to be responsible and do your duties, which include being on time for work, meeting deadlines, and doing your best to avoid making mistakes. Additionally, going above and above demonstrates your dedication and willingness to go to great measures in order to get the finest outcomes. Throughout their careers, those who are seen as having a strong work ethic are frequently excellent candidates and qualified for new chances. Well, I want to thank every one of you for watching the video. I hope you liked it and learned something from it. Welcome to the channel if you're new, and please subscribe for more posts like this. Now that I've said that, I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you all in the next video.